Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a rear windshield wiper on a Cadillac SRX 2013 model. So here's your wiper blade. Grab it about where I am and pull the back end up, but hold the other side tight to the wiper blade and then slide that outward like that. There's a little hook clip that you'll break if you don't do that. Since this windshield's dirty, I'm just going to make a little mark so when I put the new blade on, I could realign that. I'm actually replacing the entire arm. You don't need to do this. That'll be pushed onto some spines. I'll just take this and, break the tension on it. Pull up on the back end of that. That'll come right off. There we go. So anyway, Auto Boo. They said they are the OEM manufacturer for Cadillac, and this kit was the arm, the wiper blade, and the cover, and all for not a whole lot more than just the wiper blade cost, so I just bought the whole thing. There's the stud we're going to mount to. It's just a J-clip. You pull that on, you'll hear it click, and that's on. So align this back where it came off from. There you go. And you're going to snug it down with the nut, which will get it tight. Get that on there as best you can with your hand. Put the nut back on. And we'll tighten this thing down. I'm using this air impact, but I'm not going to totally tighten it with that. I will just get a wrench and do it. I believe this is a 13, which is a 1/2 inch. Yeah, I'll just do that with the wrench to finish it off. So on this comes a protective cover for your windshield wiper, so just pull that off, and now it's just your cover, the plastic cover. Okay, there, see that little hook that's going to go around the J hook that's holding your windshield wiper blade. You put that on, you push it to the right, and then you're just going to take it and with the heel of your hand push down the part that's by where the motor turns, and you'll hear it click, and do that. That's it. That's about it. Simple fix. Anyway, that's how she looks, and thanks for watching.